Few leaders have left a legacy as powerful as Abraham Lincoln. Rising from a childhood of poverty to become the 16th President of the United States, Lincoln guided his country through its greatest internal crisis, the American Civil War. His leadership, compassion, and unwavering belief in freedom transformed the nation and made him one of history's most respected statesmen. His story is not simply about politics, it is about determination, honesty, sacrifice, and hope. A childhood of hardship. Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809, in a small log cabin near Hodgenville, Kentucky. His parents, Thomas and Nancy Lincoln, were poor farmers who struggled to provide for the family. Life on the frontier demanded hard work from an early age, and young Abraham spent much of his childhood helping with farm chores. Despite their poverty, Lincoln developed a deep love for learning. Formal schooling was limited, and he attended school for less than a year in total. Instead, he educated himself by borrowing books whenever possible and reading by the light of a fireplace late into the night. Building character through work. As Lincoln grew older, he worked as a farm laborer, rail splitter, store clerk, and boatman. These experiences allowed him to meet people from different backgrounds and understand the challenges faced by ordinary citizens. His honesty became legendary. Friends and neighbors trusted him completely, earning him the nickname, Honest Abe. This reputation would later become one of his greatest political strengths. The journey into law. Lincoln believed that education could change a person's future. Determined to improve himself, he studied law independently and eventually qualified as a lawyer. Moving to Springfield, Illinois, he built a successful legal career based on fairness, intelligence, and persuasive speaking. His courtroom victories and calm manner earned widespread respect, laying the foundation for a future in public service. Entering politics. Lincoln entered politics because he believed government should serve ordinary people. He first served in the Illinois state legislature, where he supported economic development, transportation improvements, and public education. Although he experienced several political defeats, Lincoln refused to give up. Each setback strengthened his resolve and expanded his understanding of leadership. A nation divided. By the late 8th Safar, the United States faced increasing tensions over slavery. Northern and southern states strongly disagreed about its future, threatening to divide the country. Lincoln opposed the expansion of slavery into new territories. His speeches emphasized that a nation built on liberty could not remain permanently divided between freedom and slavery. Becoming president. In 1860, Abraham Lincoln was elected President of the United States. His victory triggered the secession of several southern states, which formed their own government before he even took office. Lincoln faced an enormous challenge, preserving the Union while avoiding the complete collapse of the nation. Leadership during the Civil War. The American Civil War began in 1861 and became the bloodiest conflict in American history. Lincoln spent countless hours meeting military leaders, visiting soldiers, and encouraging the nation to remain united. He made difficult decisions under constant pressure but never lost sight of his belief that democracy and national unity were worth defending. The Emancipation Proclamation. One of Lincoln's greatest achievements came in 1863, when he issued the Emancipation Proclamation. This historic order declared freedom for enslaved people in Confederate-controlled territories. Although it did not immediately end slavery everywhere, it changed the purpose of the Civil War. The conflict became not only a fight to preserve the Union but also a struggle for human freedom and equality. The Gettysburg Address. Later that same year, Lincoln delivered the Gettysburg Address, one of the most influential speeches in history. In just a few words, he honored fallen soldiers and reminded Americans that democracy depends on the dedication of its people. The speech continues to inspire leaders around the world for its message of liberty, equality, and national unity. Personal struggles. Behind his public success, Lincoln endured deep personal sorrow. He lost children during his lifetime and often struggled with sadness. Despite these hardships, he remained committed to serving the nation with patience and compassion. His ability to lead while carrying personal pain demonstrated remarkable emotional strength. Victory and tragedy. In April 1865, the Civil War ended with the Union's victory. Lincoln hoped to heal the country and promote reconciliation between North and South. Only days after the war concluded, tragedy struck. On 14 April 1865, he was shot while attending a play at Ford's Theatre in Washington, D.C. He died the following morning, becoming the first U.S. president to be assassinated. His death shocked the nation and the world. Lasting legacy. Abraham Lincoln's influence extends far beyond his presidency. He preserved the United States during its greatest crisis, advanced the cause of freedom, and demonstrated that leadership is built on integrity rather than privilege. Today, his memorial in Washington, D.C., stands as a symbol of courage, equality, and democratic values. Students, historians, and leaders continue to study his life for lessons in perseverance, humility, and service. Conclusion. Abraham Lincoln's journey from a poor frontier boy to one of history's greatest presidents proves that determination, education, and moral courage can change both an individual's life and the destiny of a nation. His commitment to justice, unity, and human dignity continues to inspire millions around the world. More than 150 साल after his death, Abraham Lincoln remains a timeless example of leadership guided by principle rather than power.